For those of you that love the Milestone floor plans, but you've been waiting for that interior look to change, well, 2023 is gonna be your year. So you are in the top selling family floor plan. This is the 370 FLMB. And here is where we are highlighting the all new interior decor for 2023. A great new look that's had very, very strong reviews so far, with this wood grain being added to the floor plan with that bright offset of the white makes this floor plan beautiful. In addition to the wood grain finish, you have an all new countertop. This solid surface vein looks beautiful with the wood. And another new feature you're going to see in 2023 is this all new dinette that includes the table and the chairs. In the bedroom, you're getting an all-new headboard to round out all the changes for 2023. We're very excited about the new interior, and we hope you are too. Learn more about the all-new 2023 Milestone by going to heartlandrvs.com.